Would I say this is worth the 90 bucks? Would I say that? What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a fashion haul that is not 𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗽𝗏𝗏. Surprise. This is a surprise for me, but I love Madoson Beer. Her music, her fashion, she's an icon of the generation we're in right now, and she partnered with Boohoo. So that collaboration, I needed to dip into. I know it is for women's. Well, it can be for anyone, but it's dedicated towards women. It's a lot of women's products. But you guys all know I'm very fluid these days when it comes to fashion. I like to have fun, step outside my comfort zone. And if there's a piece I can rock, I'm going to try my best to rock it. So I picked up a few things in this bag right here that I felt like, you know what? This could be pretty cool. So I have one very expensive piece and one very fun piece that, you know, I feel like anyone can pull off. So I'm gonna unbox this, we're gonna hang out, we're gonna do a little fashion haul that's not 𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗽𝗏𝗧. I'm shook too, guys. I don't know what's going on. I'm even wearing an Urban Outfitters shirt right now. I know this is like 𝗏𝗏 circa 2018. Who am I? Yeah. Ariana Grande, yeah, I tried doing that, I really suck at it. Anyway, if you're interested in this Boohoo x Madoson Beer haul, hangout sesh, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. Yep. Yeah, I got some stuff from the Madoson Beer collab, guys. I'm so excited to check this out because, first and foremost, I love denim stuff, and I have a huge selection of denim jackets by 𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗽𝗏𝗧. So now, I have one by Boohoo and Madoson Beer. This is the bag, came in quite big. I don't know who this girl is on here with this tiara thinking she's cute. She is cute, so let her think what she wants. I'm super excited because now this is a piece that it gave you the option to size online. So I didn't, you know, just guess my size. I provided my height and all the metrics of 𝗧𝗏. So I'm hoping that their like thing on their website to see what size you are is accurate, because I'm be very disappointed if it's not. So this is the bag, and I already see the one piece and I'm like, cannot wait to try it on. Here we have a jacket. This is the, I don't even know what this was called, to be honest. It's like a denim trench coat. It's 90 bucks. I actually got it on sale, so that's why I decided to pick this up. I'm very weird when it comes to buying clothing online that I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull off or wear, or that I might like in person. I like to buy clothing in stores. I'm old fashioned like that, but whatever. Here's the bag, pretty cool. It does say slouchy oversized denim trench. Blue 14, so I believe we got a size 14, I suppose. I don't remember offhand, but let's get this open. It's actually denim, so this is definitely not a cotton denim. Do you guys ever see like the denim stuff that looks like denim, but it's not really denim? This feels like denim, so I'm pretty sure it is. That's the color right here. It has a weird smell to it. Ew, it kind of smells like fertilizer. Yeah. Here is the tag. Oh my goodness. I'm a sucker for little details like this. So the tag, Boohoo x Madoson Beer, and then the tag on the inside also does say Madoson Beer on it. So guys, there's something about her that is just so sexy, talented, and she's a vibe. She's such a vibe. She kind of reminds me of like very like Megan Fox. I don't know what it is. I do know what it is. She's just that vibe. But anywho, she has been on my radar ever since I heard the song All Day and Night You Keep Me Up Non-Stop. I don't know that. What is that song even called? Clearly I'm not the biggest fan, but I'm a fan. So hey, I like that song. I love Baby. Her whole new album is amazing. I also like Boy Shit. That's a good one. Can definitely relate. I don't talk boy shit, I talk man shit. Know that, trust and believe. So that's probably my favorite songs by Madison. Anyway, let's get to the jacket. This is the trench. This is long. This is huge. And this is a Moments. Holy crap, this is heavy. I like the color of the denim that is on this. One of the reasons why I chose this piece is because fall is around the corner. Denim is definitely not something that's gonna keep you warm. So this is more like a fall, like late summer going into fall piece for me. And it's just gender neutral for sure. The back has this really cool kind of like patched moment right there. There's a belt that goes around it, and okay, it's kind of like a tortoise looking notch right there. So I'm liking that it's not just a silver or gold moment. It's very just can go with anything, and this is pretty sick. I'm gonna try this on and have it on the screen. You know, I'll show you guys my outfit right now. My outfit is very outside of my norm that I'm wearing these days. Obviously, I've been decked on the Tommy Hilfiger for years now. Still trying to work on a career with the company, manifesting it till it actually happens. But this is what I dress like outside of Tommy Hilfiger. It's just very fun, urban, preppy. Yeah, I really don't know what my style is, but this jacket is pretty sick. I have to say, definitely loving it. It is not too long, but it's definitely a trench style jacket. And I like it. The buttons match the, see, this is the buttons right here. It matches the belt clip. So they are very much like the same. Just in case you're wondering, this is what the inside of the jacket looks like. It is just like a basic denim. We have the darker on the outside and then the light on the inside. So I mean, this is as denim as it gets. The whole craftsmanship of this, stitching, everything is just, it's up to par. Like even the bottom looks like the bottom of jeans. So would I say this is worth the 90 bucks? Would I say that? It is. Madison Beer can do no wrong. Also, I'm super in love with the whole like early 2000s Y2K trends that are in right now. I mean, I was a kid. Bro, come on. My cat is like psychic. Whenever I'm filming, she like
does the most.
So the Y2K guys, I love the fashion, the accessories, the music, everything about it. I was a kid growing up in the early 2000s, so like I, you know, couldn't do what I wanted. So now as an adult, the fact that these things are, you know, back around as a trend, I'm sliving. I love it. So we have one more piece in this bag, and it is no other than a bucket hat. So this is the Madoson Beer bucket hat. It's called the Fluffy Knit Bucket Hat. This goes for 30 bucks, and there's multiple sizes you could choose from. I don't know the size of my head. All I know is it's oval. So I'm hoping, I'm praying to the bucket hat gods that it's gonna fit. So this is the color Off-White, and I did chose, like I said, 10. Okay, so it's confirmed on the tag. So it is super fluffy. It feels so soft. I don't know why I felt like I needed this, but I just needed it. And this is the tag right here. Again, same tag. The description is on the back. And this is super fluffy. Oh my goodness. On the inside, just say, keep away from fire. I'm shook that that is actually necessary to, you know, like take up space right here. Like, who's gonna, what? This is also a tag on the inside, Madoson Beer, Boohoo, very cool. Let's go ahead and try this on. I'm hoping, praying it's gonna fit. Oh, it fits. Oh, it fits good. Oh, it fits real good. Little fuzzies are falling around. Wow, okay, so this color is making me look tan, and I appreciate that. You know, I'm trying to maintain my summer glow in a healthy way. Since I love skincare, you know, we gotta do that with, we gotta get some sun with love, and I'm loving this, guys. The Off-White, it's good that it's Off-White and not pure white, because I'm also one of those people that when it comes to like Labor Day, after Labor Day, I don't wear white. you just don't do it. Just like you don't wear white to a wedding, you don't wear white after Labor Day. I'm actually gonna keep this hat on for the rest of the video because it's a vibe, okay? I know you feel it too. I went to this cool place, it's called the Hunting Ground. It's in Baltimore, Maryland. So I feel like I'm gonna share this in this video because these pieces kind of go with this whole aesthetic. Hunting Ground is a vintage-esque new product, fashion, and accessory store. It's like, it's weird. It's something that, it's a vibe that I love because I love like thrift shopping, but at the same time, I also like new products. So it's kind of like an Urban Outfitters in a repurposed church. And I have a soft spot for when it comes to like mixed properties or converted properties is what they call them in real estate. Still am looking to pass my real estate exam. Super hard, but anywho, it's an old church, very much like an Urban Outfitters, and I got some cool stuff in here that I'm gonna share. I'm gonna link all their information in the description down below. Hunting Ground in Baltimore. If you're ever in that area, check it out. It's in a really cool, like hipster area, like artsy area. So I loved it. Wicked Sisters is a restaurant around there. I went to with my friends. So freaking good. So this is a pair of glasses that when I seen them, I needed because I love the shape, the color, and I did not try them on, unfortunately, because I didn't want to try anything on the store, you know, what's going on in the world. So I bought it with a pure expectation that they're going to look good. Now, this color blue, if you can see that, there's a lot of fingerprints on there. This color blue I love. These were actually only 14 bucks, and in my opinion, that's not too bad for something that's unique like this. They don't feel too cheap. They definitely are. I don't know if that's plastic. It's wire, obviously, but the lens is definitely plastic. So first impressions. Let's see how they look. Oh my god. Okay, they're a little small, but what do we think? Tell me the truth. How do you feel about this vibe? Is this who am I? I'm honestly, I'm kind of liking it. I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna wear these glasses. They're only 14 bucks. I feel like this is definitely an aesthetic that is totally mine. And one thing that's cool is like it's this slate blue color, and it's gonna go with a lot of my Tommy Hilfiger products. So living for that. I'm gonna take them off though, because I'm sure it's like glaring with all these lights around. So cool piece. Love them. There's also two more things in here I'm gonna share really quick. And these are also accessories. Is it accessories or accessories? Because I catch myself saying it like both ways. Oh my gosh. This is the necklace. I love this necklace. I love the colors. I like how there's little just beads everywhere, and it's also silver. Silver is my go-to color. I used to like gold, but it just doesn't look good with my skin tone, especially when I'm like, let's try this on. Let's see how this looks. I have high expectations because when I first seen this, I was like, I need it. And I'm happy that I went with that vibe because this looks pretty freaking cool. This looks neat. I love it. It's very nostalgic, very fun, great colors. And I like how it's not perfect. Like the beads are here, then it's links, and then it's more beads and random beads. It's like, it's a weird piece I love. And I also, last, got this little ring right here. I'm kind of like into rings right now as well. Like I'm wearing this wolf howling at the moon ring. If you can see the, you know, wolf there. There's also a mother of pearl ring that my partner Gustavo got me. Thank you so much, Gustavo. And now I have a smiley face. So, and it's also like faux pearls going around, as you can see. But I thought this was just fun, funky, and different. So let's see how this looks. Hopefully I don't break it because my fingers are like sausage fingers. Very neat. Okay, I love it. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during this Madison Beer x Boohoo haul experience. I know it was only 2 items, but I spent over $100. So I was like, you know what? With that being said, we're gonna make a video today. And also those cool pieces from Hunting Ground, had to share them as well. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. That will basically notify you when I upload a video. So if you want to stay in touch, click that bell, super important. My Instagram is right here at 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and follow me in there as well. But until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.